Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In my last video I taught you guys how you can get your NIN and BVN through USSD code, and also I taught you how you can get your NIN and BVN online. I showed you the website where you can get it easily. But in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get your NIN and BVN using OPAY banking app. This app has helped me a lot personally, and I've verified from other people that have used it and they said it's really helped them. Maybe you need it in time of urgency, like maybe you need your NIN or BVN but you are not with the sleep, or you are not like near where you can get your NIN. You can easily log into your OPAY banking app and you will get it easily. But some of the people I told this update complained to me about it, that they could not find it in the app. They could not know where to get the NIN and BVN exactly. So that's why I'm making this video today, to show you where exactly you can get your NIN and BVN from your banking app. So let's get started. Let's log in into OPAY app right now and start. Once you've logged into your OPAY successfully, you are going to look down to the down part where they write the me sign. So once you click on me, it's going to bring you to this page and you're going to click on that upgrade. Click on the upgrade or any icon you see under your name there, and once you click it, is going to bring you to this page. And please note, if you've not linked your NIN or BVN to your OPAY, you won't see this option there. So you must ensure that you've linked your NIN and BVN to your OPAY before you can retrieve it back. And once you click on this, it's going to bring you here to verify your PIN. You have to put your 4 PIN that you used to like maybe transfer money and all. Then it's going to open it for you once, and there you will see both your BVN and your NIN numbers that you've used. And that's how you retrieve both your NIN and BVN on OPAY. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.